guys, so get ready with me to school. And right now, basa pa yung buhok ko. Siyempre, malamang, kaliligo ko lang eh. Pat dry, like that lang. Everblana Pro Studio Finish Stick Foundation Cream. Kuya, since yung pagtulog ko nowadays, it's not the usual thing. Dati natutulog ako around 10. Pero ngayon guys, I don't know what's happening. So sometimes I have these breakouts throughout my face. Pero okay lang kasi I use this Oxycure. Very effective siya guys. And I have these dark marks, simple marks. And nag-lighten din siya. And it's nice. I use the Says Lady loose powder. See the difference. Ganon. So, that's what I did to clean your mess. Clean your mess. But it's giving, you know? Bag. Ay, Monday mo na. Guys, this is my bag. Gusto ko sana. Binigay sa akin ni Ate Kikay. Curling my hair. Already for my uniform. Shoes. Tignan nyo guys, tatangkad ako guys ng 2 inches guys. From this to this. Diba? Amazing ka talaga ever. Mga naman give me. That's how I do makeup. Outfit check. Student. So that's all for today's video. Adios.